Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about email marketing and how to make more sales from your existing email marketing list. So before I start, guys, I'm going to talk about something really important. I'm making a lot of videos about email marketing. So if you want to learn more, because this is something that has been requested on my YouTube channel in comments for a long time, so I'm making a bunch of videos about email marketing, and you're gonna see them coming in the next couple of days on my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to talk about something really important, and that is the end of your email marketing funnel. So let's say you have 100 people on your list. You get 100 people on your list, and 10 of them buy your product, and 90 people don't buy your product. So what do you do with that 90 people? What do you do with them? And how you can actually make more money from your existing list. Those 90 people who didn't buy, obviously not all of them are going to end up buying your product, but there's a way to get more out of the people who didn't end up buying your product, or the product you're promoting. So this is really important, because what you need to understand in order to get the most out of your email marketing campaign is that figure out why people are not buying. And there's a lot of different reasons for someone to not buy your product. The most important one is that maybe they didn't engage with your product or your content. We're assuming that you have a great product, you're promoting a really good and high quality product. Okay, so the biggest reason is that they didn't end up engaging with your content. Maybe the ebook or the lead magnet that you gave them wasn't good enough, or just your emails weren't good, all the stuff like that. Okay, that's the biggest reason. The second one, which might actually surprise you, is that maybe they didn't have time to open your emails. That happens actually, and the reason I know that happens is because I've tested so many emails and campaigns that I know people just sometimes don't have time to buy your products, buy whatever you're selling. So there was this email list that I had, and I was selling this $120 affiliate product, and I ended up with about 250 people who didn't buy that $129 product. So what I did was that a couple months later, I started another promotion. I promoted that product, the same list, and this wasn't a more expensive product. This was a $397 product, and I got 5 sales from that email list. That's the email list that didn't buy my initial product, which was $120 and something like that. So the point I'm trying to make is that sometimes people just don't have the time to buy your product or engage with your content. So you gotta understand, you gotta give them a way to actually come back to you. And the third one is maybe your emails go to spam. And that might happen. Something you gotta understand, something you gotta know is that if someone doesn't open your email, a couple of let's say you sent 5 emails to someone and they don't end up opening your last 3 emails, any email that you send after that might go to spam, or they might go to the promotion tab or something like that. So that actually has been a case, and that might happen. So what do you do with people who didn't buy your product? How you can actually get more sales out of them? So I do this one thing. It's really cool. I mean, this is a strategy that takes a while to implement. It's not like an instant thing, okay? But if you implement it, you can make a lot of money. So I talked about all of these problems, right? They didn't have the time to buy it. They maybe your emails went to spam, or just your content wasn't good enough. And there is one strategy that actually can solve all of these problems at the same time. Okay, so, and by the way, this is something I talk about in detail inside Gold Masterclass, so I'm going to leave a link in the description. You should definitely check it out. I talk about the details of this strategy in there, and also I actually implemented. You see me actually building it. So if you want to see the details, that's where you should check it out. So how I do it? So what I do is I create another promotion campaign. Okay, so this time I have 4 videos for this campaign. Okay, so there are 4 videos. Let's hope they fit in here. All right, so let's imagine these are pages, not videos. Okay, so what I do is I have these pages on the site, doesn't matter where. I have 4 videos on these pages. Now let me explain why I'm talking about these pages, because we're gonna use them. So 4 videos. So these 4 videos take people through a process, they provide value. So what you do is, this is a brand new email list. You ask people, you send a blast, an email, a couple of emails. You don't send them once, you just send them a couple of times, and ask these people, let's say in this case, in this example, the 90 people who didn't buy your product. What you do is you ask them, hey, I have this new thing, you should definitely check it out. You just try to write good content and send them, ask them to sign up for this email funnel. So what you do is when they join this email, they're gonna see the first video, they're gonna watch the first video, and every single day, this is day 1, this is day 2, day 3, and day 4. Every single day they're gonna get an email, and they're gonna continue watching the training video. So this is like just a bunch of training videos, and they're just gonna receive one video every single day. So this is like a launch campaign, almost like a launch campaign. So the point of doing this is that it get people to engage with your content. And when you just divide like a big subject, that's whatever you're selling, whether it's a weight loss product, whether it's a gardening product, whatever it is, when you make these videos like this, and then you divide them to small videos, what happens is that it's easier to get people to engage with your content. So this is how you do it. You get people to engage with your content, and you just do it slowly. So day 1, they get 1 email. That's the day they actually sign up to your list, right? Day 2, day 3, day 4. So the point is here. The point here is that on day 4, you want to make sure that you sell something to them. Okay, so day 4, whether you use the same product that you were selling before, or you actually you sell another product, doesn't matter. Okay, so that's the basics. So this is where you actually get more advanced, because one of the problems I talked about was that maybe maybe your emails went to spam, or they didn't have time at that moment to just engage with your content. So what you do is that you're gonna retarget the same people who are going through your funnel on Facebook, and there is an easy way to do this. So instead of uploading your videos on YouTube and embedding on the site, what you do is upload your videos on a Facebook page. Okay, so you upload them on a Facebook page, and let's say someone opens again, and you have your Facebook pixel on all of these pages. Okay, so this is really simple to implement. Maybe it might look a little bit complicated, but it's super easy to implement. So what you do is you have your Facebook pixel all over these pages, and these videos are uploaded on Facebook. You upload them on Facebook, and you embed them to your site. And then what you do is let's say someone watches day 1 video, but they don't watch day 2. What you do is you run ads on Facebook and send them to day 2. If they don't watch day 1, but they don't watch day 2, you can actually run Facebook ads, FB ads, and send them to day 2. Same thing for day 2. If they watch day 2, they open your emails, they watch day 2, but they don't watch day 3, you can do the same thing. You can run Facebook ads and send them to day 3. This way you actually almost force them to go through your funnel. Same thing day 4. If they don't watch day 4, and if they watch day 1, 2, 3, but not 4, you run Facebook ads, retargeting ads, and send them to day 4. This is basically, again, as I say, you just force them to listen to you and kind of go through your product and go through your process, your funnel. So this is an additional way to make sure that you use all of the available avenues to reach out to the customer, your potential customer, because they actually sign up to your list, right? So they have an interest, they have some interest in a product. So this is the way that you get the most out of your email list, guys. All right, so this might look a little bit complicated, as I said, but it's not complicated at all. It's super easy to implement, and this is something I talk about inside Gold Masterclass. And there actually I'm gonna build these pages and videos and all of this in front of you. And one of the most important thing is that you need to know what kind of videos you need to make. What should be content of these videos, how to convert someone from a free lead to a buyer by day 4, video number 4. These are things that it's important to understand, and that's something we talk about inside Gold Masterclass. So let me know if you have any questions, guys. I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you to the Gold Masterclass. If you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions about email marketing or affiliate marketing in general. I'll see you in the next video.